Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to unbox and do a quick review of this Class A Customs 33 gallon water tank. So let's go ahead and open it up so you see what it gets when it arrives. So from here, back. Alright, I'm going to slide this out, a little bit of bubble wrap here. To the side, and slide this out. And now that I've slipped it out, I'm going to get rid of our box here. All right, so this is the 33 gallon tank here, and I'm going to show you on this end. One thing that I really like is they have 4 different caps here depending on what you're going to do with it. And then also I saw another one right here on top. And what I'm going to do with this is it's actually going to go right here against the wheel well, and this is where I'm going to have my bench. So there's actually going to be a bench all along here, so this will be hidden. And I went with this one. I really liked it a lot better than the over the wheel well ones, just because I'm going to need my bench over here anyway. So this is a great way to get 33 gallons of fresh water right here in my Sprinter.